Hello, Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Tanay Ghosh. So today we'll be learning our practical plotting for y is equal to 1 upon x to the power 2n. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll understand our multiplot and also the data extraction. Not all everything about data extraction, but little bit about data extraction, and then we'll plot our y equals to 1 upon x to the power 2n. Okay, so before we start, we will practice some how to handle this data in a matrix. Say I have a matrix A which I defined as, so this is how to write a matrix. I am writing a matrix 3 by 3 matrix. So this is first column, and then this is our second column, then our third column. Okay. So A is a 3 by 3 matrix. You can see A is equal to this one matrix. Now I want to find out all the elements in the second row. How we can do that? So A, I want all the row. Okay, all the row. So I will give the colon sign, comma, and the second column. So before I hit enter, please try to guess which one will be second column and all the rows. So it will be 258. Okay, and now I want to find out all the elements in the uh, third row. Okay, so third row, all columns. So third row, comma, all columns. 7, 8, 9. Now I want to find out the particular element in that A matrix. Suppose that you don't know what is your matrix is. Now your screen is clear, but you can see here this A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So I want to find out if it is like this. If I want to find out all the rows and all the columns, okay, I can do that. Though it is a 3 by 3 matrix, it is a very rather a small matrix, so only the 9 elements are there. But sometimes we handle with a very big data. So when there is very big data, it is very hard to find out a particular row or particular column which one you want. So in that case, we use this kind of methods. I want to know what is in our second row and third column. Second row, third column. This is 6. Let us check. This is first row, second row, okay, and this is third column. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now let's go to our program script. Go to our script. So this is our script for plotting y is equal to 1 upon x to the power 2n. Now n is a natural number. I deliberately put n is equal to minus 1 here. So if I put n is equal to minus 1, you can immediately see that it will y is equal to x squared value. So let's plot a comparative graph on that. Okay. So now I predefined our this x, okay, range. So it is from 0.4 to 3 and 1000 points are taken. So x will be a row matrix and it has 1000 columns. Now n, I have again taken it in a row matrix. So first element is -1, second element is 1, third element is 2. Okay, so we can already find out that how we do this. So I am running only this portion, selected portion. See, evaluate the selection with the echo, with echo. So I run this one only, this portion only, and then I go to our console again to check. Now here n is taken as -1, 1 and 2. If I hit n, so it will show me a row matrix. So if I want to find out what is the first element, so comma first row, so first row is -1. So there is only one row, and this colon sign means all the rows. So the result of 1 comma 1 and colon comma 1 will be the same, as it has only one row. Now if I want to find out that second element of n, that is equal to 1, positive 1, here it is, and again the third element is our 2 in third column, first row, third column. So let's go to our script again. So here the next what I do, I am try to plot all these three graphs, okay, in one single palette. So first we plot x versus x to the power, so its function is 1 upon x to the power 12, so that's why I have given minus sign. So 2 into now n, so what will take the first element in this n row matrix, so that's why I have written like this. So it will take the first element. Now the second, be very careful where you give comma sign, okay. This comma sign, this is x, first element, first x axis, then this is y axis, after that comma, this is the style or marker of that particular plot, then after comma x, this is the second plot I am drawing, so x versus then x to the power minus 2 into n, here I am taking the second element of n, so that's why I have written 2 here. Here it is 1 and here it is 2, okay. And then again after comma I give the marker. Marker should be always inside the inverted comma, okay. Then comma, after that this is the for the third plot, and I have given this marker as dotted black. So three of the markers are different. This is dashed blue, solid line red, and point K. Next I'll put x axis, it will be written as x axis. Y, I have written down it as y axis, and the legends. Now look carefully. Here after this parenthesis I started inverted comma, and this dollar sign is given for our more mathematical look, like more beautiful it will look. So y is equal to x square. As you know, if I put here x to the n is equal to -1, it will nothing but x square, okay. Y is equal to x square. Now next one, when I put is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, at that time it will become y is equal to 1 upon x square, and when I put x is equal to n is equal to 2, it will become y is equal to 1 upon x to the power 4. Fine. Now I give the title. Okay, so after that, what we will do, we will run this. It will automatically take the value as I already defined x and n here. I am not I don't want to depend on the programmer who is running the script. So already given, and now my plot will look like this. Okay, so you can see there is 3 lines, and legend is properly given. For blue dashed line, it is y is equal to x square, and for our red line, it is y is equal to 1 upon x square, as well as this black dotted line is y is equal to 1 upon x to the power 4. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned from this video how to multiplot as well as data extraction in from a matrix. One part of it, of course, not all. There are so many applications and so many ways to extract data and plot from matrix. We'll learn slowly, one by one after another. So practice this. If you don't practice, you will forget. You have to practice. This is the only way to remember all these codes. Thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care.